Hi, Amelin. The days are getting hotter and hotter, and doesn't taking a dip by the pool sound like the perfect way to cool yourself down from the summer heat? I am here in Galilee Wonderland where they have 12 pools to give you just that. With me is Marketing Manager Randy Espra to tell us all about it. Hi, Randy. Good morning.
Good morning, Pia, and good morning to all the televiewers of Daybreak. Welcome to Galilee Wonderland.
Can you tell me about the place? Because I noticed that all the 12 pools, biblical yung theme nila. How did that start?
It's because of our the very vision of the resort, which is just to gather people for fellowship. It was last March 5, 2004. Nagsimula tayo sa isang fellowship lang. So basically, it was not meant for business. Yun sa atin is just to gather people around for fellowship. Yung tawag sa fellowship natin is Bagong Anyo, Bagong Puso, Bagong Buhay Foundation. And yung fellowship na yun, nung March 5, nagpatayo tayo ng hall, and that hall together with the two swimming pools, yung swimming pools para sa water baptism, and people started coming in and they requested for a swim, and from there on to cope up with the maintenance until we started to expand to business.
So those two pools are part of all the 12 pools that you have here in Galilee.
Exactly. So from two pools, we never stopped expanding until now. We've reached to 12 pools, and two of those are wave pools.
Wow, and another wave pool, to one of those two wave pools is this one. Can you tell me, ano ba tong pool na nasa likod natin?
This is the Sea of Galilee. As you can see, yung Sea of Galilee, meron tayong replica of the Noah's Ark and the life-size animals. Yung mga animals na are in fiberglass. So, apart from the fact na nasa wave pool ka, beach-like waves yung may experience mo dito. And of course, na-maintain din natin yung biblical theme ng resort. Parang nasa mismong harap ka ng Noah's Ark. And that's one thing that we really maintain in all our facilities at sa mga ibang infrastructure na talagang ilalagay natin sa resort, talagang biblical theme tayo.
And then, dun sa ark, sa taas niya, parang I see there are stairs leading up to it. So, pwede kang umakyat. And what would you see when you're there on top?
That's actually the highest peak of the resort. So ma-overlook mo lahat ng facilities. Actually maganda yung view ng resort pag nandiyan ka sa taas. And also, kung nakikita mo may space siya, because we also cater events na for small gatherings such as weddings or yung mga simple engagement parties and birthdays sa taas. And poolside talagang hindi natin sinasayang yung space. We always cater, lalo na pag church activities and other activities like kung gusto nilang poolside yung setup, we also cater those.
Okay. And then, yung mga pools natin, kasi this one is a wave pool, some might be so scared to bring their little kids dito sa mga wave pool. Meron ba tayong kiddie pools? Ano pa ba yung meron sa ibang facilities natin?
Yes, out of 12 wave pools, meron tayong 5 kiddie pools na meron ding mga kiddie slides. And kung nakikita ninyo, yung mga facilities natin dito are very child-friendly. Talagang na-maintain po natin na less hazardous for children yung ating mga facilities. And yung may-ari tsaka yung management, we always maintain na talagang preventive yung approach natin, and we always see to it na talagang aside from the emergency plans that we have drafted, talagang yung mga lifeguards natin trained by the Red Cross. Yung ating facilities ay talagang hindi po siya dangerous for kids and for the adults alike.
Okay, and then for those na gusto magstay overnight, may cottages naman tayo.
Yes, of course. Meron rin tayong hotel. One of the accommodation facilities of Galilee Wonderland is our mansion. Our mansion has 36 rooms, and meron din tayong 24 rooms na nasa loob ng resort. So basically, we have 60 rooms available for overnight apart from our day tour cottages.
And then if I just want to drop in for the day and mag-swim lang ako and then alis din, how much ang entrance fee?
That's 200 for the adults and 180 for the kids during our peak season.
Wow, that sounds really affordable. Thank you so much, Randy.
Thank you, Pia.
Hi, thank you. Okay, for those of you who are already excited to take a dip here in the pools in Galilee Wonderland, please do go here to Bustos, Bulacan. It's just a 45-minute drive from Manila. Jing, Amelin.
Thank you, Pia.